Hi, I'll be helping you today find a midpoint. M is the midpoint of AB. AB, assume that you have a segment A, B. M is the midpoint. If the coordinates of A are -1 and 5, and the coordinates of M are 3 and 3, what are the coordinates of B? We need to find X and Y here. The first way to do this, to find the second point, is that if you're going from negative, imagine you're going from -1 into 3. So you're going to 0, 1, 2, 3. So you moved up 4 points, or you moved to the right 4 points. Now to go from the midpoint to the other one, we know the midpoint is something in the middle. So to move from 3 to the next one, you're going to go up 4 points, which is going to be 4, 5, 6, 7. That's X is 7. And Y is from 5 to 3. You're going to move from 5 to 3. So you go down 4, 3. You go down by 2. Now from 3 to the second point, you're going to go another 2 down. So it's going to be 2 and 1. 7 and 1. That's the final answer. 7 and 1. Alright. Let's do this one here. If you like, assume that you have a grid paper on a test and you want to just sketch it so you can visualize it more and translate whatever I'm just saying now. A is -1 and 5. -1 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is A. B is, the midpoint is 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You have, if you graph a line from here, or a segment, I'm just going to make a big line here. What is the second point? From here, this is the midpoint, 3 and 3. And this is -1 and 5. From here to here, you moved, if you do right triangle, you moved 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left and 2 down. You move 4 to the left, 2, 3, 4, and 2 down. And that's the point here. If this is the midpoint, this one is point B. Move 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 down. The same thing, you're going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 down. You get B. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. 7 and 1. This is the other end point of this segment. Okay, let me just clarify whatever I just said in the beginning of this tutorial. From -1 to 3, from -1 to 3, to X. -1 to 3 to X. This is the midpoint. To go from -1 to 3, you moved 4 points up here. -1 plus 4 equals 3. And now we gotta move another 4 points up to go to the X. From 3 plus 4 equals to 7. So X equals 7. That is X. Now the 5, the Y, from 5 to 3 to Y. What did we do here? To go from 5 to 3, you subtracted 2. To go from 3 to Y, subtract another 2. So Y equals 1. So the new coordinates is 7 and 1. Same choice. So we have 3 different ways. Either imagine that with this kind of line here, or do it this way, or graph it and estimate the other point. There's another way, fourth way, or third way, do it algebraically. There's a formula to do that. We don't want to go further, and we didn't want to memorize more formulas. just stick with one of those steps, and I'm sure any one of these will work well.